Vroom's expectancy theory. Vroom's expectancy theory is a motivation theory in the field of organizational behavior that explains how an individual's effort, performance, and outcomes are related. The most relevant point of the theory is the idea that motivation is determined by an individual's belief that their effort will lead to a desired level of performance, and that this performance will result in outcomes that they value. The theory proposes that people make decisions based on the belief that their effort will result in a particular level of performance, and that this performance will lead to specific outcomes. If an individual believes that their effort will lead to a high level of performance, and that this performance will result in outcomes that they value, they will be motivated to exert a high level of effort. In summary, the most relevant point of Vroom's expectancy theory is that motivation is based on an individual's belief in the relationship between their effort, performance, and outcomes, and that this belief drives their level of effort.